पुष्पा पुष्पराज झुकेगा नहीं साला.
Much like the dialogue from Pushpa The Rise, looks like real life में भी पुष्पा flower नहीं fire है. The Allu Arjun Rashmika Mandana starrer Pushpa 2 The Rule has been ruling box office ever since its release on December 5. After shattering every box office record possible, the film has now become the fastest earner in Indian cinema history after crossing the rupees 500 crore mark globally in terms of collection within just 3 days.
इस बार हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला.
Not just that, many trade pundits are expecting the film to cross rupees 700 crore mark by the end of its first weekend. The craze for the film refuses to die down, with tickets being sold for as high as rupees 2,450. The film is running to packed theatres everywhere. So much so that Christopher Nolan's Interstellar re-release had to be postponed simply because Pushpa 2 had taken up all the IMAX screens. To which Janhvi Kapoor had reacted saying that Pushpa 2 is also cinema and that we are too obsessed with idolizing the West. Filhal though, the fans are busy idolizing Allu Arjun at the box office. After having earned rupees 175 crore across all languages on day one of its release, the film has only grown from strength to strength. It has already become the third highest grossing Indian film of 2024 within 4 days of its release, and जिस तेजी से इसकी popularity बढ़ रही है, we won't be surprised if it manages to surpass the rupees 1100 crore global box office collection of Kalki 289880, thus becoming the highest grossing Indian film of the year. What will also help this film is the fact that there are no major releases this week. Word of mouth publicity is also helping Pushpa 2 The Rule win big in regional markets, and it had already shot past the $1 million mark in North America on Saturday itself. Have you watched this masala entertainer yet? Do drop in your reviews in the comments and make sure to subscribe to Shosha for your daily dose of entertainment.